Continuing on the Timberwolf. Cubs gonna see if he can get something. Come on, Timber. Up. No. Be nice. Oh no. 75-cent bet he's on. Let's see if he can get something. Oh, peekage. He could. Why do I feel outside there? Okay, that's better. Mom usually play this machine and kills it. You know. Let's see if we can get a little bit, right? Our turn for once. Oh my goodness. Come on, match it up. Jacks. 20 times 18. 360. Wolf. Jacks again. 60 cents. House. Almost again. Look at that, it's right. Jacks again. $1.60. Queen. Oh my goodness, come on, where are you at? Let me see if I can get it. Get the timing right. But it's not. I know. That was. Come on. Oh no, let me put some money in here. Oh, I know, right? I was betting $3. I'm gonna do a couple more spins on here. I know. Come on, Timber. Whoa. Bears. Jay. 20 cents. Oh no. Come on, Timberwolf. Got some of the guys. $5. Yeah, we got it. We got the bonus. I did it for once. I want the multiplier. I want the wheel for one of those. And I want the multiplier wheel at the bottom that I can spin. That came out the other day. Remember I told you that? Yeah. Be nice. Come on, be nice, Timberwolf. Okay. Mini plus wheel, stop. Oh, I always want to get that one. I can't never get it. Oh, guess I gotta. Oh, whoop, whoop. Yes, 450. 450 times 4. It's a good start. there. Alright, not bad for the first spin. Give me a re-trigger. I want to get that wheel. Alright. Come on, baby. Re-trigger me. At $23. Multiplier. Oh, we got some houses. Couple houses. Trying to get it all. I can't get it all, y'all. Machine is huge. Oh, okay. Give me multipliers. I got 7 spins left. Oh, look at that. You can do it, Timberwolf. All right, re-trigger it. Oh, queen. Nothing. Man, that sucks. Do it again. Santa Claus. It's Santa Claus. One more. Okay, $12.50 for the Santa. We got some jacks in there too. Yes. Got 3 more spins left, and if you haven't yet, click below, hit that subscribe button. Oh my goodness, row 3. Come on. Nothing. $39. That's it. I'll take it. Okay. All right, Timberwolf. It's back up, spin on $1.50. Nothing in row 2. Did I hit the service button? You good. You don't gotta put that. You know what? Go grab some. I know. Come on. Come on, Timberwolf. 5 cents. Trying to get my button to work here. My button's not working. It's not giving me nothing. Uh-oh. Couple more spins. Then up 20 cents. I am headed for the hills. Almost. Come on, we needed one more in the second row. Bears. We needed one of him in the second row there. Woof, woof. Oh. 45 cents. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. Come back around for me. The mini is more than the minor. Look, row 1. One more spin. Alright, $1.50. Keep it going. And last spin. Alright, continuing on. Did we switch cars? Did we switch cars? Okay, well, hold on. Oh my goodness, where is it? Come on, Daisy, come on. Come on. There. I went down to 75 cents. Is she? My own jack. I really don't mess with this machine like that because it ain't for me, honey. It ain't for me. Whoop, whoop. Look at that. Whoop. Times 16. Okay. We ordered already. 480. Sheesh. The bumpy ride over here. Nope, no cigar. We'll be back. How much they spent to get that turnaround. $25. All right. There. 50 cents. 20 cents. Right up there.
Try my ball game over there. Right.
Roll forward, please. Okay, then. We're going to see if somebody hit the major on that other one.
I'm gonna look at it.
Okay. Nothing. Nothing. And some J. Wanna play the buffalo? It was right there. What was that about? That was horrible.
Yeah, somebody hit it.
Damn. Alright. We are still trying to get this bonus on the Timber Wolf. Come on, Wolf. Make it do what it do. Hell, is playing $1.50 bet. Something. Oh my God, where's the bear in row 2? Where is it? Oh Lord. Okay. Got some of the Eskimo man. $2. Oh, look at it, right there. Gave him the jacks, but didn't give him the freaking bonus. 810. Like, what is? Come back around, bonus. Come back around. Whoop. They're flying by. They're flying by. The ATM? Over there. It's right over there by,
It's against the wall.
yeah. Right there.
Against the wall right here. Right?
Shucks. Okay, you got some kings and some queens for $8.70. Whoa. Oh my. What is happening? Come on, Dave. Come on. Ooh. Alright, we're going through it now. Give him the bonus. I like the 225. Okay. You bet. Oh, you got that? Oh, that's. She coming right there. Yeah.
Oh, you got one too? Oh,
Hold on, right here. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut that. All right. Oh my goodness! Give us some. Oh, that hurt. Nate, you see this? All right, keep it going. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. The disrespect is in full effect, y'all. It is in full effect. I need it. I don't know, baby. I do not know. We needed a walk. Oh, you got all the houses. How much is that? A nice little 1950 on that one. All right, keep it going. What you betting? 225?
Yes.
Okay, you going back and forth between 225? Oh, come on. One in row one. What's happening? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. All right, it's getting warmed up. Let's go. Here go your beer came. Oh my God, just flying by. Come on, whoops. It's penny pinching. $1.50. Woof, 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 woof. About to have me howling up in here. Shoot. Trying to get some. $3. All right, enough with the nickel and diamond. Oh, give him the doggone bonus. Oh, you see what I mean? Like, you see what I mean? That's why we had to keep playing, because it's really like... Me? You should play it, right? You got it. You do it. Get into it, boo. It's on you, baby. You see it keep flying by? Yeah. All right. We shall be back. All right, husband put some more money in this thing. And he is trying, baby. He's going back and forth between that 225 and that $1.50 bet. To see if he can get something to pan out. Look at it. Not doing it. You might have to go through that 75 cents just to see if you do a couple, you know what I mean, just to mix it up a little bit. And then go back up. Queen. Buffalo. We just don't have no luck on this thing, baby. See? What was that? That was $1.50. Okay. Bottom and top. You see that? Alright. Alright, guys. I I am going to see if I can make it do what it do. Look at that. First spin. Got it. $1.50. See? I had to, I got this. Now, let's see if it gives me time now. You feel me? Yes. Before I start the... No, let's wait. All right. We done held out. We need this thing to pay us. Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. Please. This wire is in the way. Let's see what it gives us. Come on, give me the bonus wheel. I always wanted the bonus wheel. No, I don't want that. I always want that bonus wheel. I've never gotten it. All right, 10 games. Give me the re-trigger and give me the 3 times and the 5 times together. Come on, baby. Go ahead, baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Damn. Don't tease us. Do it for us. Up. Again? Yeah, it's trying to make us play the thing. All right. We got 5 more spins. I'm only at $6.80. Y'all see this, right? 3 spins left. You see this, right? Nothing. 1 more spin and I'm at $6.90. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You think so? Alright. Let me see. Alright, you said back it up on 225. Come on. All right, that's a good one. $15. I'm gonna hit the button. All right, $15. House. I'm gonna bet $3. Let's see if it gives it to me on that. And 1 more spin on 3. That would have been a nice little 225 bonus. It didn't come through. That's the one time back on $1.50. Come on back around. It just gonna keep up. $9 for that one. I didn't even see the 10s. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Hey, the lady. Alright, babe. I think I am done with this Timberwolf, baby. Mom over here killing the buffalo next to me. As soon as I hit the 75 cent, right? That's because I hit that 75 cent. Trying to mix it up. $3.50. Alright, buffalo. Not buffalo. Oh, Lord. Come on, Wolf. Redeem yourself. $0.10. Nothing. Nothing. Where is the bonus symbols? 2 again. 2 bonus symbols. I got some kings in there though. Okay, we got a little something on the kings. Nice little 15.25. Okay. $0.30. Oh. Hey, it's not giving it to me. This is it. This is it for the Timberwolf. Look, right there. See this right? It's alright. I must have it. Look. What is happening? It's not doing nada. It's not doing nothing. 95 cents. Kings again. Keep giving me them kings. And I'm gonna let this ride out. Maybe it'll mess the timing up for me so I can get it right. Alright, what's next on the agenda? On to the next one. $5. $1.50. Nothing. $0.40. I never get nothing on this machine. Right? Don't I always tell you that? It's done. Alright, that's it. That's all. See you tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all